Hello everyone, welcome to LRDA Prep. My name is Samir Sardana, a plus educator on Unacademy, and we are discussing CAT 2017 Slot 2 Security Scan Set. First video के अंदर हमने question number 1 discuss किया था. We have discussed the basic instruction of the set. I will be discussing question number 2 here. Guys, these are my upcoming courses for the April month. I have already given you the details. 8 classes per week, and you will be able to complete these 3 courses. Guys, question number 2 is on the screen here. Let's have a discussion on it. I hope you understand the basic instruction over here from the previous part. The instruction says that every employee before entering the facility need to make a pass key using the scan of the 5 fingers, right? So whichever pass key that you have decided, let's say कि आपने सबसे पहले thumb finger को scan किया, right? So whatever order of sequence that you are deciding as your passcode to enter the facility, let's say the thumb number is the first finger first that you have scanned, then let's say little finger, and then index finger, then ring finger, and then you have middle finger, right? So let's say this is the passcode. Now as per this instruction, it says that maximum of 2 scans, maximum of 2 fingers can be out of place. The scan of 2 fingers can be out of place and still the passcode will work. For example, if I am using L over here and T over here, but I am using the rest of the 3 fingers in the same sequence, then I'll be able to enter the facility. That's the main instructions, the part on which the whole set is based, right? So this is the main instruction जो आपको सबसे important है इस क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करने के लिए, जिसको समझने के लिए आपको कुछ एक्स्ट्रा नॉलेज का रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं है. You can easily understand it from the given instruction part, right? इंस्ट्रक्शन से ही जनरली आपको लॉजिक समझना होता है. This is what the LR is all about. It's not that कि आपको पहले से कॉन्सेप्ट आना चाहिए. No, right? What you need to do is you need to understand the logic from the instructions given over here, right? So यहीं से आपको पूरा इंस्ट्रक्शन समझ के, right, उसका implementation करना है questions के through. Now the question number 2 says the lab has decided to allow the variations of the original sequence so that input of the scanned sequence of 5 finger is allowed to vary from the original sequence by 1 place for any of the fingers. Now there's a new rule that is coming up, and this new rule says that whichever sequence of fingers that you have decided, so input of the scanned sequence or the 5 finger is allowed to vary from the original sequence by 1 place for any of the fingers. What does it mean? 1 place से आप जो fingers हैं उसको scan कर सकते हो. If the fingers are out of the place by 1 position, then still the scan will work. For example, what is the meaning of this statement? आपने let's say अपना passcode decide किया TMLRI. Let's say this is the passcode that you have decided. Thumb, middle, little, ring, and finally the index finger. It says that if you are scanning with 1 finger out of place by 1 place only, or any number of fingers which are out of place by 1 place, here. What is the meaning of it? That I can use T over here and I can use M over here. I can use R over here and L over here. I cannot be placed with anybody, any other place. So if I am using this code, you see that M is not at its own position, but it is misplaced by 1 place only. T is also misplaced by 1 position only. R is also misplaced by 1 position only. L is also misplaced by 1 position only. Still the passcode will work even if the 4 fingers are out of place. Even if the 4 fingers are out of place, but because all these fingers are out of place by 1 only, so therefore this will also be allowed. However, in place of T, M, L, R, I, if I am using, let's say if I am using L over here and T over here and M here, I here, R here, right? Will it work? This will not work. Why? Because L has been misplaced by 2 digits here, right? L is not being used at the position of L has been changed by 2 places, right? L is supposed to be the 3rd finger, but now you are using it at 1st place. So this is out of place by 2 places. So therefore this will not work, but this will work. Now using this rule, right? इस rule को use करते हुए, what are the different how many different sequences are allowed for any given person's original scan. So whatever original scans that you have finally fixed for yourself, आपका जो भी पास कोड आपने फाइनली डिसाइड किया, उसके कितने डिफरेंट कॉम्बिनेशंस अलाउ होंगे टू एंटर द फैसिलिटी, दैट्स द क्वेश्चन, राइट? So now let's say my passcode is TIMIRL. This is the passcode, let's say I have decided. Now you see that if I am now you see that I can have the fingers out of place. Any number of fingers can be out of place. Now let's say if I am making one pair by one, if I am misplacing one pair of fingers, right, by one place, that means let's say कि T और I को आपस में आपने misplace किया, rest of the fingers are at its own position. So this will be allowed? Yes, this will be allowed. In one pair, you see that by changing I and T, you can make one new sequence which will be applicable. Similarly, जैसे आपने I और T को replace किया, similarly, you can also exchange I and M to get a new sequence. You can also exchange M and R. I don't need to write down the whole sequence, right? I'm just keeping in mind कि मुझे one pair को replace करना है. So M और R, because M और R को आपस में replace करूंगा तो एक ही place से fingers move होंगी. So जो भी नया combination बनेगा that will be allowed. जैसे इस case में आपने I और T को exchange किया, one place से दोनों fingers positions हो रही हैं. So this finger is allowed, right? M and R. See that M और R को भी अगर आप exchange करोगे, you will get a new sequence. Similarly, R and L are also at a difference of one digit. So R and L can also be replaced with each other, right? So T and I and M, M and R and L. So you'll get 4 sequences here, right? You'll get 4 sequences. Okay. क्या T और M को आपस में exchange कर सकते हो? Is it possible for you to exchange T and M? No, it is not possible for you to exchange T and M because T and M are at a gap of one place, so it is not possible. So one pair के केस में 4 combinations आप नहीं बना सकते हो. What if you decided to replace 2 pairs, right? अगर आप दो pairs of alphabets को आपस में exchange करते हो, what will happen in that case? You see that here, TIMRL. In this case, if I'm supposed to change the position of 2 pairs here, so see that T and I and M and R both together can be replaced. T and I and M R both can be replaced. Similarly, T और I के साथ आप R और L को भी अगर आप exchange करोगे तब भी अल्फाबेट एक ही पोजीशन से मूव करेंगे. So this combination will also be allowed. That means जब आप T और I को exchange करो, R और L को exchange करो, you'll get a new sequence which will be allowed. Okay. Now other can be, right? So you'll get 4 here, and you can see that 2 more combination can be made from here, right? Now the next you see in this whole, if I am for the 2 cases, right, with T and I, here I'm fixing T and I and I'm positioning M and R and R and L. What if I'm fixing I and M? अगर मैंने I और M को fix किया, I और M का position आपस में change किया, and साथ में R और L का position change किया, right? This will give me one more combination, right? This will give me one more combination. So 4 combinations from here, 2 combination from here, 6, 1 combination from here, 7, right? So one place से आपको ही fingers को move करना है, not more than one place. So 4 plus 2 plus 1, 7 wrong sequences are allowed. 7 wrong sequences are allowed. Plus 1 which is a right one, which is a original sequence, right? जो भी आपका original होगा वो भी तो allowed होगा. So the total number of possible sequence with which you can enter the facility with the rule that कि digit सिर्फ numbers जो हैं एक ही place से move कर सकते हैं, it would be 7 plus 1, that is 8. Option number 3 will be the answer of the question. A very, very beautiful set, guys, right? So this was the question number 2. I want all of you to try question number 3 and question number 4. The solution of these 2 questions will be uploaded in the next video. Guys, referral code for plus subscription is LRDS Meet Live, and for 100% syllabus coverage, you can subscribe to this YouTube channel, LRDA Prep. These are the upcoming batches on Unacademy Plus for CAT exam preparation. One batch is getting started on 7th April, 10th April, and I'm starting my batch, Master Weekdays batch for CAT 2021 on 12th of April. I'll be teaching arithmetic in this complete course. You can practice 30 minutes daily DILR with me in Unacademy free special classes. I'm taking one special class every day, completely free of cost, right? This session will be happening every day at 4 p.m. 28 episodes have already been conducted. The link of all the episodes are given in the description part of the video. So every day you can practice one set, one beautiful set, one relevant set for CAT exam of DI and LR at 4 p.m. in Unacademy free special classes. Anybody can join it, right? Links for joining the upcoming sessions and all the links of the previous sessions are given in the description part. And please subscribe to LRDA Prep for 100% syllabus coverage. Thank you so much for watching the video. See you in the next part.